Hi guys! Welcome sa aking YouTube channel. So sa video na ito, pag-uusapan natin kung paano ba gamitin ang inverse function rule. So kung bibigyan tayo ng ganito, so may halimbawa ako dito, kung bibigyan tayo ng ganitong uri ng function, na ang function ay in-express in terms of y, so ang gagamitin natin dito ay inverse function rule. Since ang hahanapin natin dito ay yung derivative of the function y. So kung hinahanap pa dito ay yung derivative of the function x, then pwede natin kukunin yung derivative agad-agad. Pero dahil in-express yung function in terms of y, at saka ang hanahanapin natin yung function or yung derivative ng function y, so kailangan natin gamitin yung inverse function rule. So kapag ganito yung itsura, na yung function na in-express in terms of y, kailangan natin yung inverse function rule. So sa inverse function rule, nakasaad doon, or nakasaad sa inverse function rule na derivative of the function y is equal to the reciprocal of the derivative of the function x. That's it. So, yan. Kapag kailangan nating hanapin ang derivative ng function na ito, kailangan natin gamitin yung inverse function rule. So, ang inverse function rule, ang format niya ay ganito. So, ito yung inverse function rule. So, inverse function rule. So, sa nakaraang video, pinag-usapan natin ang chain rule. Ngayon naman, pag-usapan natin ang inverse function rule. So, sa inverse function rule, kapag ginamit natin ito, kukunin lang natin yung derivative ng function x at saka kukunin natin yung reciprocal. So, ganito yung format. So, solve na natin to. So, derivative of the function y over dx is equal to the reciprocal of, substitute lang natin yung value ng x or yung function x. So, yan ay derivative of yung x natin ay square root of y plus cube root of y. So, yan. Pagkatapos, kunin natin yung derivative ng function. So, ngayon, distribute muna natin yung notation ng derivative. So, 1 over, so notation ng derivative, distribute natin sa buong equation or sa buong function, plus derivative of, so, distribute din natin tong function notation or derivative notation sa lahat ng expression sa function. So, ngayon, simplify natin yan. Derivative, para kunin ang derivative ng expression na square root of y at saka cube root of y, kailangan natin gumamit ng Power rule. So, ang power rule ay nakasad doon na derivative of any function defined by function u will be du over dx all over 2 square root of u. So, follow lang natin ang format na to para makuha natin yung derivative ng expression na may square root. So, yung function natin ay square root of y, so papalitan lang natin yung u to y. So, yan. So, follow natin yung format na yan. So, magiging y, 1 over derivative of square root of y. So, follow this format. Magiging derivative of y all over 2 square root of y. So, yan lang. Yan. Sinunod lang natin yung format dito na du over dx. So, since yung u natin equal to y, so magiging 2 square root of y, then dy over dx, dy yan. Then, plus, since may square root din dito, follow pa rin natin yun. Format ng power rule. So, pag ganyan, magiging dy over dy all over 3 cube root of y. So, bakit naging cube root? Kasi dito sa expression ay cube root of y. So, since ang binigay dito ay square root lang, kaya naging 2 square root of u. Pero since cube root yan, nagiging 3 cube root of y. So, yan lang yung pagkakaiba nila. So, pero same idea na power rule yung ginamit. So, all 1 over, simplify muna natin yan. Dy over dy, magiging 1 over 2 square root of y, plus dy over dy, magiging 1 over 3 cube root of y. So, para ma-simplify natin to, kailangan natin kunin yung exponential form ng radical symbol. So, or yung radical form ng expression. So, dito lipat natin yan. So, is equal to 1 all over 1 over 2y 1/2 plus 1 over 3 times the quantity of y to the power of 1/3. So yan, ito yung exponential form kapag yung radical form, yung radical symbol ay transform natin to sa exponential form. Pag yung radical form ay transform natin to, or we transform the radical form into exponential form. So yan. So para ma-simplify yung denominator dito, kailangan natin kunin yung least common denominator. So 1 over yung least common denominator between 2 times the quantity of 1/2 at saka dito ay magiging 6. So magiging 6y. Pag combine mo lang yung 1/2 tsaka 1/3, magiging 5 over 6 yung denominator. So 5 over 6. So yan yung gagamitin nating least common denominator dyan. So 6y to the power of 5 over 6 divided by 2y 1/2. So magiging sagot dyan ay 3y 1/3. Then dito naman sa kabila, 6y to the, or the LCD divided by the denominator here, ang magiging sagot dyan ay 2y 1/2. So simplifying further. So since hindi na yan ma-simplify, so marin natin tong simplify lahat ang buong expression. So simplifying rational expression, magiging 1 times 6y to the power of 5 over 6, getting the reciprocal of the denominator, and then multiply to the numerator. So yan yung paraan pag-divide ng rational expression. So 3y 1/3 plus 2y 1/2. So yan. So multiply lang natin siya, yung reciprocal ng denominator na ito, na expression, into multiply lang natin siya sa numerator. So reciprocal of 6 of this one, so pagpalitin lang natin yung numerator at denominator. So yung denominator magiging numerator, saka yung numerator magiging denominator na. So simplify to get the final answer or the derivative. So dy over dx. So yan, 1 times this expression will be 6y 5 to the power of 6 all over 3y 1/3 plus 2y 1/2. So yan na yung sagot. Ang final answer natin, since hindi na ito ma-simplify into lowest term, ay 6y to the power of 5 over 6 all over 3y to the power of 1/3 plus 2y to the power of 1/2. Or pwede rin ibalik mo to sa original na form na radical. So pwede rin, or sabihin natin na or, pwede rin na sagot mo ay 6 times the 6th root of y to the power of 5 all over 3 times the cube root of y plus 2 the square root of y. So yan, either of the two can be considered as answer. So yan yung solution natin. So pwede ito. So yung derivative ng function gamit ang inverse function rule. So ang derivative ng function na to, x is equal to the square root of y plus cube root of y. Gamit ang inverse function rule, hinahanap natin yung derivative of the function y. So ay ito or ito. So yan. So dadako na tayo sa pangalawang halimbawa natin. So sa pangalawang halimbawa, ito yung kukunan natin ng derivative of the function y. So since the function is still expressed in terms of y, kailangan natin gumamit ng inverse function rule kasi yung y ay in-express in terms of, yung function rather ay in-express in terms of y. So ang gagawin natin dyan, susundin muli natin yung inverse function na reciprocal of dx over dy. So ibig sabihin, kukunin natin yung derivative ng function x, tapos kukunin natin agad yung reciprocal para makuha natin yung derivative of the function y. So substitute natin yung function x, so 1 all over d over dy. So yung function x natin ay equal to 2 times 4, the quantity of 4y plus 1 to the power of 3. So yan. Since may constant tayo dito na 2 or may numerical coefficient tayo dito, so maaari natin yung tanggalin bago natin kunan yung derivative ang buong expression. Or isulat muna natin yan bago ang pagkuha ng derivative ng expression. So sasabihin natin dy over dx, 1 over, so isulat muna natin yung 2 bago ang derivative notation. Times 4y times the quantity 4y plus 1 to the power of 3. So yan, para hindi na natin ma-apply yung product rule. So ilabas mo na yan si 2 tas bago isulat yung derivative notation. So ngayon pwede natin kunan ng derivative yung expression na 4y plus 1 to the power of 3. So is equal to 1 over 2 times, since multiply, you are going to multiply this 2 to this expression. So 2 times the derivative of this one. So derivative of 4y plus 1, notice na may ano tayo dito, may exponent tayo. So maaari natin gamitin yung power rule. So ang power rule ay dy over dx, or pag may function tayo na u na may exponent, yung function is u, so walang y ito, is equal to nun minus 1 du over dx. So ibig sabihin, sa halimbawa natin dito, yung u natin ay equal to the quantity of 4y plus 1, and then yung n natin ay, yung exponent ay 3. So pag substitute natin yan dito sa power rule, ang mangyayari dyan ay n, sulat mo muna yung n, 3, at ang ating n sa expression na to ay 3, then u, our u is 4y plus 1 times 4y plus 1, then n minus 1, so 3 minus 1, yan, then times derivative of u. So derivative of u, so derivative of the inside function 4y plus 1, then yan. So yan yung paraan kung paano kunan ng derivative kapag may power tayo. So gamit ang power rule. So 1 all over, simplify natin, 2 times, simplify muna natin yung exponent dito, 3 times 4, the quantity 4y plus 1 to the power of 3 minus 1, so 2. Derivative of 4y in terms of y ay magiging 4 na lang. So derivative of the expression 4y, the quantity 4y plus 1 is equal to 4 in terms of y. So yan, simplifying further, ang mangyayari dyan ay 1 all over 2 times 3, 6 times 4, 24. So 24 times the quantity of 4y plus 1 squared. So since hindi na yan, saan natin kinuha yung 24 again? Sa 4 times 3, 12 times 2, 24. So times the quantity of 4y plus 1 to the power of 2. So yan yung derivative, dy over dx. So ngayon, since hindi na ito ma-reduce into lowest term, or hindi na ma-simplify into further expression, so matatawag na natin ito na the derivative. Ang hinahanap natin ay 1 over 24 times the quantity of 4y plus 1 to the power of 2. Using the inverse function rule in finding the derivative of the function y, whose function given is equal to, is the function x equal to 2 times the quantity of 4y plus 1 to the power of 3. So gamit ang inverse function rule, hinanap natin yung derivative of the function y, where the given is expressed, or the given function is x is equal to 2 times the quantity of 4y plus 1 to the power of 3. So the correct answer is 1 all over 24 times the quantity of 4y plus 1 to the power of 2. So yan lang sa video na ito. Maraming salamat. Sana mag-subscribe kayo para sa mga updates sa channel ko at sa marami pang example. Kung gusto nyo ng maraming example patungkol sa inverse function at ibang topic sa mathematics, pakibisita ng aking YouTube channel, MTV or Math and Travel Vlog, for more information and examples about mathematics. So yan lang. Maraming salamat at God bless everyone. See you to my next video, guys.